What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com, check it out. So today's video I want to talk about the top 3 print-on-demand websites. If you're new to print-on-demand, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you check out the channel because there's lots and lots of content on this. This is something that I've been going hard with lately. For you guys that have been sticking around, liking the videos, subscribing, commenting, thanks so much, and we'll continue to grow this channel and continue to teach you guys more hands-on practical things and tips that are going to make you successful with print on demand in 2020. So 3 top websites, best websites for 2020 print on demand is definitely Teespring, which you guys know I'm a huge fan of. Then second would be Redbubble, and then the third one, which I haven't talked about on this channel yet, but it is something that I'm going to be bringing up over the next few videos, is Merch by Amazon. So a couple of you guys have commented about this and wondered when I'm going to touch on it, but Merch by Amazon is probably the biggest website and best website for set it and forget it. So you're going to get that organic search traffic from Amazon themselves. So you can upload all of yours to Merch by Amazon, all your print on demand designs, and then Amazon's going to direct all their traffic towards it for you. So that's one good thing about Merch by Amazon. Teespring is actually the same once you get that trust score. So the trust score, just to recap that, I've got videos on this as well if you are wondering what that is about. Teespring, to get your trust score, you have to make some sales and they have to be from someone other than yourself, so a different IP address. You could get friends and family to help you out there if you need to. So you need to do that, and then you also need to verify your payment details. So if you haven't verified your payment details, Teespring cannot put you through their trust score. So those are the 2 things you need to do, and then you'll be able to get onto Teespring's marketplace, which is going to drive traffic just like I'm saying with Merch by Amazon. And also you can get onto Teespring's boosted network, which is where Teespring takes certain shirts that are doing well and have a good trust score and post them on bigger websites like Amazon, etc. So you get more sales. So thanks so much guys. Make sure you like the video, make sure you hit subscribe. So let's dive into why these are the top 3 best print-on-demand websites for organic traffic. So the Teespring marketplace is huge, like I said, and with the boosted network. The other one is Redbubble. Redbubble is also quite massive with the, you've probably bought things off Redbubble. They always have a lot of quirky things on there and lots of different designs. So that's another one where you can set it and forget it, and it's going to be on the marketplace, and then people are just going to see it pop up in their search rankings when they're searching for certain things that are to do with your niche. And so this is what makes these the top 3 websites. You've got Merch, which has like Amazon Marketplace. I don't even need to talk about that. It's gigantic, and Amazon promoting your shirts to people anyway. And then you have Teespring, once you get that trust score, and then you're onto their marketplace, and then you can possibly get onto the boosted network as well. And then you have Redbubble, which is just a huge marketplace in itself. So these 3 together, if you're on all 3 of them, you might as well be, by the way. That's what I suggest, is to be on all of them, and you're going to have way bigger chance of succeeding. So these 3 have that huge marketplace where so many people are going to be searching for things, especially Amazon, because let's face it, Amazon is just the biggest shopping website in the world at the moment. But the other thing that you should be doing on top of all this is driving traffic from your social medias. So this is what I've been covering with you guys, which is to build up your Instagram, build up your Facebook, and have those linked together and be driving traffic from targeted niche hashtags that are going to be, you know, like if we're talking dogs and a certain type of dog, like I have a Labrador. So let's say we're searching, we're just using Labrador hashtags. You're going to get that direct traffic from people that are interested in Labradors to your store to see a t-shirt that's based around Labradors, and then they're going to see the link to your store to be able to go and buy that shirt. So once you're driving that traffic from your social medias as well to the marketplace, and this is without, we're not even talking with paid advertising, we're talking all free traffic here and just some effort by you, you're going to have such a huge chance at selling so many shirts, especially when you're on all of these marketplaces. So these are my top 3 best print-on-demand websites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying all the videos. I have a full print-on-demand playlist. Make sure you check that out down below. And make sure you hit subscribe, guys. Comment below if you have any questions, and please give the video a like for me.